Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Joyce. If you're going to Form 4 next year, right, or Form 4 going to Form 5 next year, one of the most important things learning chemistry will be to learn your formula well. Let me share with you a little bit of tips on how to do that. Okay, let's share screen. Okay, learning chemistry, you have to learn the language, and the language will start from ABC. This is how you learn your English, right? You start with ABC. So now let's see. If you're learning the cations, okay, to write formula, these are your ABCs. And if you look at cations, I would say, right, you see the cat, it has a T. So the T represent the positive ions. And we have positive 1, 2, and 3. So if you look at ammonium, right, ammonium, NH4. So whenever I say ammonium, I do N-I-U-M. I have 4 characters at the back of the N, and that's how we remember that ammonium is NH4 and it's positive. You know, because we have another one called ammonia, which is NH3. So I make it easier for you to remember. The next thing you see is like potassium. You will think how potassium links to K+, which potassium has its chemical name, all right, and it's called kalium. So we will learn both the names and make your life easier. So we have copper, Cu, positive 1, because it is 1. We have copper 2, positive 2 then. You understand? So these are some tips that I could share with you when you join my class. And let's look at anion. It's not onion, yeah? That's why I put an onion there. No. That's not anion. So if you look at, wait one moment, okay? So if you look at the anion list, you will notice that lots of, sometimes even teachers will read it wrongly, say, you know, anion. It's not anion, okay? It's anion because it goes to the anode, which we'll be learning it later. Now, so if it is a negative, 2 negative, all right, you will see that the charges are all in 2 negative. So let's look at the hard part, where some of the students couldn't even master it when they're in Form 5. Look at how I do it. Sulfate. So you know what? I say it sounds like sulfate is very fat. So it has more oxygen in it. Can you see that? Right? So we have SO4. And why is it all sulfate has a 2 negative? So I make you remember as on the opposite side looks like a 2. It's like the lateral, you know, inverted. So all S will have 2 negative. And sulfate, woo, sounds very fit. Okay, so it will have SO3 instead of 4. So it's the fit one. Yes. So smaller size, less oxygen. And you know what? The sulfite means I hide it all. No more oxygen. So that's how I make you remember. Chemistry 10 simple. That's about it. Thank you, everyone.